and welcome to Archduke Can't Edit. Today we're going to be playing some Battle Cats. As you can see, we've got a pretty interesting crossover. This just started today, so I'm pretty excited. I've already started a couple things. I'm really not very far along in Battle Cats. Well, I mean, I'm not slow, but I am drastically underleveled, and you can pretty obviously see why if you look at my first slot. Yeah, I spent way too much XP on Power Pro Baseball special event. That was lovely. I think it was a very good decision. I just went to the same section twice. That was amazing. Yeah. So I've got a bunch of anime stuff, and it's probably underpowered for where I'm at, and all my stuff I'm actually supposed to be leveling up is a bit underleveled, but you know, whatever. So, this is a very cool event. One thing though is I'm not sure whether it's pronounced Evangelion or Evangelion, because I know if I start pronouncing it wrong, I will get murdered in the comments, although that's complete and utterly not true, because nobody's gonna watch this video. Technically speaking, like Latin and Greek would say that it's pronounced like Evangelion based on like phonetics, but I don't hear people using the words et cetera much very often anymore. So I'm just gonna go with what I've heard most, and that's Evangelion. So it's a little bit weird because everything is cats now. I think that just adds an extra level of strangeness to a series that's already really, really weird. Hoping to get Unit 00 because apparently that one's really good. Uber rares, super rares. It's really cool because a lot of the stuff is not in color. I think it's very nice that they've used this nice peachy skin tone for a lot of the characters, and like the blue of the uniforms and like hair and stuff. I don't know. I think it's cool when you get stuff in color. So you can get special characters from events and stuff, and then you can get other stuff, and this character is going to be free later on in the event. Other free stuff, collab capsules, information. I'll look at that later. Okay, so there are a couple battles we could do. Sure, why not? Alright, I always send out this one first. Because it's slow, it can usually hold its own against basic enemies, and it allows me to perform my strategy. You will see that soon. As you can see, yeah, no, nothing's happening. It's not a quick start. It's also really weird. Yeah, there's really nothing to commentate, because not much is going on. However, stuff will start to happen soon. No, it's not anytime soon. Yes, this usually takes a while. However, now I can send out my most powerful unit. Yeah, no, that doesn't look super powerful, but you're gonna have to trust me on this one. Well, looks like we've got something to deal with now. Oh my. Yes, it's another lovely day. We just had a nuke that got set off a couple meters from here. Go, Shinji. Just gonna send out a bunch of random stuff. Pew pew pew. Here we go. Oh, it's gone. Yay, we got some XP. Boop. So there are some special rewards for this event. Looks like yes, there are gonna be some angels that are going to be attacking us. Wonderful. Probably gonna spend some money to get some of the uber rare units. I forget which one I already played. It might... Let's try it. Oh no. But the great thing about that cat that I sent out is that it's the first one. It's slow, and it does a decent amount of damage. So it allows me to save up quite easily. And yes, to an outside observer, this is really weird. It only really makes that much sense if you've actually played the game. However, things are gonna get pretty crazy once we actually hit the base. You'll see why in a minute. Yep. Oh, okay, that's too much. Too much. Yeah, no, we're not gonna make it. Yeah, I may just have to try the easier level. Oh no. Shinji's crying. Can't see that because he's hidden by the mass of stuff. Right now, Valkyrie Cat's holding down the team. It's Angel versus Angel, yeah. I mean, technically, one is a Norse, not really deity, technically, figure. And then the other one is a science fiction evil thing. I don't know. Will we win? Right now it's the seal, it's the biggest problem. Yeah, it's gone. Come on. No, I'm wasting. Necessary damages, my friends. Alright. There we go. Yes. Go, Shinji, get in the cat. As you can see, this is some of the first commentary I'm doing. It's not interesting or insightful at all. Just believe me, it's a lot harder to say words than you think it is. Okay, we've knocked that back. Lost the Valkyrie. Just gotta keep going. Alright, we're making this work. And as you could tell from the intro, I cannot edit. Oh, come on! It died a lot easier last time I fought that thing. Oh no. We just lost our super expensive one. And it doesn't seem to be very close to dying. Come on. Shinji has clones now. I think that's concerning. Oh, it's gone! Thank goodness. Poor Shinji, he's beating himself up. He's beside himself. I have nothing to say. Except, yeah, GG. We got nothing for that, pretty much, but whatever. Alright, so that was the new Battle Cats crossover event. I will be continuing to post videos based on new stuff that I'm getting, and I will see you later. Oh no, I can't close out. Oh no. No! I'm trapped! I'm trapped!